bring your hand back behind your ass with your palm back. Imagine your hand is in your back pocket like this. And what I want you to start out with is pendulums behind your back. And not this, right? So in this, it's all with my fingertips. I want your elbow down to the tip of the ball to be one straight line. And we're making a pendulum that goes back and forth from leg to the side, from leg to the side. And then what I want you to do is at the bottom of the turn, push away from your butt crack. So you're pushing to the left because it's your left hand. And you should be making a circle. Now, what's awkward about this, well, it's probably awkward in many ways. One of the things that's awkward is your palm is back. The intuition is to go like this with your hand and rotate it so that your palm is facing your butt. You do not want to do that. You want your hand posterior, not anterior, and you want to make sure that the elbow is further away from the midline of your body, from your butt crack, than your hand the whole time. So if we start with the pendulum, we're pushing out to the side, just doing these circles. Now that will help you get accustomed to, you keep holding that, let me show you though. That will help you get accustomed to when you're here, you come back behind here and turn. And you'll notice I'm using that circle before I rotate. You're doing this, you're just starting it off. I want you to do this first. I want you to do like say 5 pendulums where you're practicing with the palm back. Right, so let me see those. Now, you're doing this. Let me show you from the side. You're doing this rather than this. Let's do a little exercise for a second so you can get a sense of this motion. Take your hands. Imagine you're putting them in your jean pockets, like this. Now let your elbows fall forward. Yes, do you feel how awkward that is? That is what you're looking for. So that sensation that you're feeling in here that's weird, where your shoulder has rolled forward, that is what you're looking for. If you notice your arm fully extended, like this, that's not right. You want the elbow bent. And it's the bend in the elbow that helps propel the motion. Because if you watch me as I'm doing the turn, I'm going to slightly skew my angle so you can see it. Notice I'm lifting with the elbow, coming around, and coming underhand to this side. Start in overhand, because I don't think you have enough of a sense of, okay, yes. Now, lift the elbow, pull it back behind your ass, come out, and imagine you have dirt in your hand and you're tossing the dirt as you turn to the left. Okay, so it's still this one tiny little part, which is based on this circle. You just need to do the circle. Okay, let's do it 20 times. So let's start with the pendulum first. Elbow bend, pendulum, pendulum, yes. Okay, now you're also doing your pendulum so that it's doing this, it's going wide. You want it to be a straight line from the elbow to the tip of the ball. Now we'll do 5, 4, 3, 2. Now, after this one, push it out to the left and do circles behind. And you're going to imagine there's a bike pump here behind your ass, and your hand is pumping up and down on the bike pump. You're pumping, you're pumping. You could pump your body as well, which will help you keep the poi up. Keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. And then you don't want to do this. You do want to do this. Even though I'm turning to look at you, you want to make sure that your elbow is out to the side like this. Now you're doing this, slightly more rotation with the shoulder. You did rotate more. I wanted outward rotation, not inward rotation. Good job. You followed directions. My directions were not clear. You're doing this. I want you to do this. Or if I were to mirror you, you're doing this. I want you to do this. So rotate your elbow. Rotate your elbow before you even start. Take your left hand, put your left hand behind your back. Okay, let the elbow fall. Yes, that. Now, take the hand away from your ass. Yes, yes, yes. Now start with the pendulum. Pendulum. Nope, you rotated your palm. Keep the palm back. Keep the palm back. No, so you're doing this with the hand. You want it back like this. Do you see the difference? You want it back like this. Look at me. You want it back like this, not this. This way, not this way. So the top of your hand should be brushing against your ass cheek if you were to touch yourself. Ooh, please touch yourself. No. Okay, and that's what's awkward. What do you do in your life like that except possibly be in the back of a cop car in handcuffs or something? Or maybe some crazy bondage during sex or something. But there's no judgment here. This is a judgment-free zone. Great, great. And now, just because I like symmetry, let's see how it is with your right hand. I bet it's better. So let's start with the same thing. Your hand is back behind you. And let's go with the pendulum first. And now we're gonna push away from the butt crack and do the circles and see if you can keep your palm back with that one. It's sort of better, but you're still doing this instead of this. You're doing this instead of this. You can see the difference, right? You understand the distinction? Okay, and I do want to be clear. Understanding the distinction is not the same as being able to actually physiologically do it. In my experience, this is one of the hardest movements for people to get initially. I'm guessing if you were to do it in toward your butt crack, it would be much easier. So if it's feeling easy, remember you're probably not going in the correct direction.